more. Today we'll discuss more about the operators and also about some operator precedence. For an example, you know Bodmer's theory in mathematics. Similar to that, we will learn about the operator precedence, how operators are treated. So this is what we discussed last day about the operators and data types. And today, write down the heading. After that, yes, I have to discuss about. So did we discuss about mathematical operators last day? Did we discuss about the mathematical operators last day? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So did we discuss about the division and modulus too? Division and modulus, mod and div?
No, sir.
Or only addition, division, multiplication and subtraction, no? Right, okay. So let's discuss more about this, the remaining mathematical operators. Actually, we have to discuss about the mod and div too. Right. So some of the examples from the uh, some of the examples that we should know. So addition will simply add the numbers. Division will give you the scientific answer, scientific representation of a real number. For an example, 5 divided 2 is 2.5, then set of zeros, E, 3 zeros. What is the meaning of this? So this is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 0. I think if you have not written this last day, please write this. I think the heading was given like mathematical operators or arithmetic operators. මේ heading එක කතා කරන්නේ then addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and integer division and integer remainder. Okay, if you have any question, you can send it the yes, we discuss about this. That's what Savan is telling. Yes, we discussed. Then about the scientific representation of numbering. So 5 into 2 and then 5 mod 2. So let me remind, if we have not discussed or discussed whatever, forget it. So mod means if you so for an example here, 2 monkeys and 5 hats, 5 caps. So this is like scholarship question, grade 5 scholarship question. 2 monkeys, 5 caps. You are asked to divide these caps within, so these caps to the monkeys, and so you have to equally divide this. After dividing, what remain? So here, if you have 5 monkeys, sorry, 2 monkeys and 5 caps, each monkey will get 2 caps. Right? 2 monkeys, 5 caps. Cap පහක් තියෙනවා, වඳුර දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා. Each monkey will get 2 caps. That is division. And after dividing, so each one will get 2 and the next one will also get 2. So what remaining is the modulus. Okay, this was examination question. So this was previous examination question. Can you tell me the answer for this? I'll give this in Pascal, but don't write in Pascal. No need to write this. Without writing, try to give the answer. Without writing the same in the Pascal, I'll send the compiler link if anyone is new today, want to follow the compiler, want to have the link of the compiler. This is the compiler that we are using. Online Pascal GDB compiler. And please tell me the answer for this. First one, I'm going to write line, write ln, write ln. 997 due 999. The next one is 999 due 997. Likewise, I have 4. 999, 997 due 999, 997 mod, and 999 mod 997, and the last one is 999 mod 997. So can you tell me the answers for these without compiling? Please tell me the answers. Anyone? You can let's see who's the fastest. Let's see who's the fastest to tell the correct answer, right? So you can use the chat section. අපි බලමු කවුද වේගෙන්ම ඉක්මනින්ම හරි ආන්සර් එක කියන්නේ කියලා. chat එකට එවන්න බලන්න ආන්සර් එක. හරි ඔයාලා ඒ වගේ ගේම්ස් වලට කැමති නැහැ කියලා මම දන්නවා. කමක් නැහැ. Right. Okay, Savani has seen. So others 997 div 999 997 mod 999 999 div 99. So you have to give the answers in order, right? පිළිවෙලට දෙන්න ඕන. Rovin, are you new to the class? Rovin? Rovin? Hello, can you hear me, Rovin? Rovin, what ඇහෙනවද මාව? All right. Yes, okay. So whatever, hari labana ගිය සතියේ කියලා දුන්නා නම් මතකෙන් කියන්නකො උත්තරේ. So that's what I'm asking. So I need the answer. So still only one has given the answer. What about the others? Others has not given the answer. Randil, Savani, Ramika, Gihani. දැන් රොවින්ට මතකයි ලබන ගිය සතියේ කියලා දුන්නා කියලා ඒත් උත්තරේ මතක නැද්ද? Can't you remember the answer? Come on, guys. Your answer is correct, but the order is wrong. Savani, that's the problem. Check. Okay, only one has sent the answers. Still only one has sent the answers. So what about the others? So if I taught this last day, then it doesn't represent from your answer. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ උත්තරෙන් ඒක පේන්නේ නැහැ මම කියලා දුන්නා කියලා. 997. Okay, let's go to the monkey and hats example again. So if you cannot remember, just go to the monkey and hats examples again. So 997 means you have 997 monkeys, but you have 999 caps. Sorry, the other way. Other way, right? You have 997 caps to divide between 999 monkeys. So you need 2 more caps. So first one, answer will be 0. Why? You can't divide. 997 999කට බෙදන්න බෑ. මදි දෙකක්. So you can't divide. So it's asking what remaining. What is the remainder? Remainder is you have all 997 remaining with you because you can't divide. So the next one, you are given 999 caps, more caps. So you can divide between them. So it's 1 per each. Yes, Ramika, your answers are correct. So the next one, 999 mod 997. So what remaining? It's 2. So Savani has given the same answers, but the order matters. Order was the issue. Right here, I have given the same answers. You can see if I run this code. So it will give the first one, it's 0, 997, 1, and 2. Those are the answers. Okay, last week we discussed, but still you cannot remember. That is pathetic. අපි ගිය සතියේ කතා කරා ඒක හොඳයි. ඒක මතක එකත් හොඳයි. ඒත් කරන විදිය මතක නැති එක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. හරි මේක අඳිනකොට මේක දැන් මේ පාර ලියා ගන්නකොට නැත්නම් ගිය සතියේ ලියපු එක ඇතිනේ. last week note එකේ මම කියනවා ඔයාලට මතක තියාගන්න ලේසි විදිහක්. මේ පැත්තේ අඳින්න කැප් එකක්. මේ පැත්තේ අඳින්න වඳුරෙක්. වෙන නම් විදිහක් මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. So draw a cap here and draw a monkey here. So I don't have any other method to. Or if you don't like monkey, you can draw maybe one of your friends or something, right? Or even your face, I don't mind. So cap and monkey system. So you have 999 heads to divide between 999 monkeys. So 2 caps not enough, so you can't divide. Remain, so therefore it will give you 997 as the remainder. Then you have more caps and few monkeys, not few actually, no more caps than monkeys. So you can divide 1 to each, and the remaining will be 2. So draw cap and monkey, no other solution. Please draw it, right? So I'm telling this truth. I'm telling this actually honestly. Honestly, I'm telling this. If you cannot remember, use some trick. පොඩි ළමයි කරන්නේ නේ. ඔයගොල්ලොත් දැන් එහෙම කරන්න වෙනවා. කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දැන් මතක හිටියේ නැත්නම් අර පොඩි ළමයි වගේ අක් කකුල් වල ඇඳගෙන හරි මතක තියාගන්න වෙනවා. Right, okay. Let's move. Next is the operator precedence. Right? Please write down the heading operator precedence. Operator precedence. Sorry, my spelling mistake. Precedence. Operator precedence. Please write the heading operator precedence. Actually, this is given in the book. This is given in the book, right? But without referring to book, so let me tell the general thing. Generally, you have the multiplication, division, brackets, then multiplication, division, multiplication, then modulus, div, modulus, and after that you have plus, minus, plus and minus, then O operator, and finally you have less than, greater than or equal, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, then equal and not equal. These are there. This is the. Sorry, Ramika. Yeah, you have to write. And not is also here. So please write down. This is how the operator precedence, or the what you call the priority of the operators is decided based on this order. So let's go to your book and see how it's given in your book, basically. Yeah. Not asterisk, multiplication, division, modulus, and. So we wrote the same thing, no? Asterisk, modulation, division, modulus, and yes. Plus, minus, O, then, right, okay. So this is how the priority is there. Right. Quickly write this. What are these operators? Not and O operators. These are the things that you have learned in grade 10 as gates, logic gates. So those are valid for programming too. Logic gates are valid for hardware implementation. Not only that, those are valid for programming. Right? So can you remember the basic of the NOT gate? What NOT gate does? Yes, NOT gate is So you have to look at the grade 10 stuff, right? Not is inverting. And these are actually called, so let's say, let's write down under another topic. These are called logical operators. So not is inverting, not is inverting. And output true if all the conditions are true. Then or output false when all the conditions are false. So I think you remember these things, but we learn in different way. Not is inverted and will output 1 if all inputs are 1. Here you can say and will output true if all conditions are true. But grade 10 we learned and will output 1 if all inputs are 1. O will output 0 if all are 0. So here you can apply O will output false if all conditions are false. All conditions are not true. And then you know the comparison operators. Comparison operators. Comparison operators basically, so you know less than, these are the things. So same thing, less than, then less than or equal to, then greater than, then greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, then equal to, and not equal to. Not equal to. Not equal to. So these are called comparison operators. Please write down those two. So let's resume. And so operator precedence. So you should know all these operators to know the operator precedence. Okay. So let's say the question number 1. So if I give something like this, so can you tell me what is the answer? Okay, I'm telling this. I'm telling 7 plus 5 into 3 minus 5. What is the answer? So don't write it in Pascal. You can write it in Pascal, but then it's like, so you should know before getting the output, you should know what is the output. So can you tell me the output? So now this is like Q&A session. Okay, Randil, you are the number 1. So anyone else? So I expect, okay, then Savani and Rovin and Ranvidu. Yes. So I got few answers. One is 31, the second one is 19, the third one is 10. So what happened first? Based on this. So based on this, first is multiplication, then the addition and subtraction. Okay. First is multiplication. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 7. Yes, 15 plus 7 is, now only I got the answer. It's 17. It's from Ramika. Right? Okay, Ramika. Then Ranvidu also said the same. Right? Okay. So that's why I said, right? So don't just blindly do. Think about the operator precedence. So you can write down, yeah? You can write down. The 17 is the answer. How 17 came? 5 into 3 will happen first. That is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 minus 5 is 17. You can write down, right? First, this will happen, right? You can just mark. So let's mark this. And this part will happen first. The circled area. Right. So this one will happen first. So it's not clear. This is number 1. After that, this is number 2. And this will be the 3rd. So when you write down the answer, please write the precedence. The first will be the multiplication, then okay. Let's try for another one. Please write down in your book, right? So don't write the entire program, just write the line. Line means writing this part will be enough. Writing this part will be enough. What is inside the bracket? You can write down that. Example. Then write the answer. This is 17. And also mark there. The first is this. This will happen first. Please mark this. This will happen first. Then the addition and then subtraction. Right. Right, next one. Try this. So please give the correct answer, right? So winner is Ramika for the first one. And let's see who's the winner for the second one. Okay, I'm going to write the second one. Second one is this. 5 mod 3 into 2 plus within bracket 8 minus 3 divided by 2. Due to. So what is the answer? So don't write and give the answer, then that is unfair. Or try kala dunnot එහෙම ඔයාලම තමයි cheat කරගන්නේ. So don't write this in your Pascal compiler, then run it, and after running anyway you will get the answer. So don't do that. That is cheating yourselves. Don't cheat yourselves. Without cheating, let me know the answer. Mod means modulus. Mod means modulus. We just discussed that, right? In the beginning of the lesson, we discussed. Today, beginning of the lesson, we discussed. Mod means the integer remained. After dividing, what remained? I said the example of monkey and hats, or caps and monkeys. Caps and monkeys means this side you have caps, this side you have monkeys. So you divide 5 caps within 3 monkeys, and what remain? 5 caps you have given to 3 monkeys equally, and what remains? Okay, one gave the answer. So I got 2 answers, 10 and 14. I got another answer, 10.5. Okay, I think answers are enough. Now I can see the actual answer is, it is 6. None of you have given the answers. So see that this will come in the exam, then what will happen, right? You can do this, but you're not doing this. Seems something wrong. So what happened first? The bracket first. Bracket first. will, right, let's scale down this. So bracket will be the first, and let's write down using the brackets. Oh, sorry, I'm going to copy the line, Control C, Control V to paste, and this will happen first. Let's replace 8 minus 3 is 5. So still you get the same answer, right? Here you get the same answer. So bracket first. Then what? Then what's next? After the bracket. Is it mod or multiplication or
Multiplication.
multiplication or mod? Okay, let's give the chance to mod.
Multiplication.
Right, multiplication. Then 3 into 2 is okay. Let's do the multiplication as you said. 3 into 2 is 6. 5 mod 6. 5 mod 6. 5 mod 6 is 5. Then 5 due 2. 5 due 2 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So that's not the way. Right. If due is first, okay. If due is first, 5 due 2 is that is 2. Integer division. 5 due 2 is 2. Then okay, after division then what? After division, yes, asterisk. Okay, then asterisk. Then here you will get 2. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 5 mod 6 is 5. 5 plus 2 is again 7. Wrong answer. So let's give chance to the mod first. 5 mod 3 is 2. So let's break down the problem again. 5 mod 6 2 is පහ තුනෙන් බෙදුවම ඉතිරි කීයද? 3ේම 1යි පහට 3ේම 1යි ඉතිරි 2යි. 2. 2 into 2 is, yes, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes. So that's what happened. Then let's break down again. So let's merge it again. 2 into 2 is 4. 4. Then 5 due 2. 5 due 2 is 4 plus 5 due 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. You will get 6 in all the cases, means our breakdown or our composition, whatever the method that we have applied, the sequence is correct. Okay, none of you found this. I think you better write down. Okay, so what has happened? If operators are in same precedence category, here division, so operators are in same category, same level, modulus, division, and asterisk, and the floating division, real value. So it gives the real value. දශම ස්ථාන වලට බෙදන එක, වැඩි කරන එක, පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාත්මකව බෙදන එක, පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාත්මක ඉතිරිය සහ and ඔක්කොම තියෙන එකම level එකේ නම් වෙන්නේ වමේ සිට දකුණට පිළිවෙලින්, left to right. So if here all are in same level, mod is in mod asterisk in same level, due in same level, but bracket is in top level. So bracket will happen first. Then due and mod and asterisk in same level. එහෙම වුණාම, so when operators are in same level, evaluation will happen from left to right. Left to right. වමේ සිට දකුණට. So left will be the first. 5 mod 3. 5 mod 3. පහ තුනෙන් බෙදුවම ඉතිරි කීයද? That is the process. 5 mod 3. 5 divided by 3. It is 1. Remainder is 2. You need the integer remainder. That is mod. You are asking what is mod now? That is integer remainder. 5 caps with 3 monkeys. 5 caps. You divide it within 3 monkeys. Each monkey will get 1 cap. And after that, 2 will remain because you need another 1 to give 2 caps to each monkey. So you have 2 caps with you because otherwise monkeys will fight. Right? If you divide this in unfair way, monkeys will fight and you will also have to fight with monkeys. I'm just telling, right? I'm just kidding because no way to tell that. Right? රිලව් 3 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. හරි. එතකොට බෙදන්න කියලා කියනවා කැප් 5ක්. එකාට එක ගාන දුන්නොත් උන් රණ්ඩු කරන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට කැප් 3ක් බෙදලා ඉවරයි. ඉතිරි වෙනවා දෙකක්. ඒ දෙක ඔයා තියාගන්නවා. බැරි වෙලාවත් ඔයා ඒ දෙක දුන්නොත් අර තව මංකීස්ලා දෙන්නෙකුට හම්බුන් නැති එක ඔයත් එක්ක ෆයිට් කරනවා. To stop that, you have to keep that 2 caps with you. That is what modulus is. 5 monkeys, 3 caps. You have to divide that 3 caps. Sorry, 5 caps, 3 monkeys. Sorry, other way. 5 caps, 3 monkeys. You have to divide caps equally within monkeys and 2 remaining. That is modulus. That 2 you have to multiply by this 2 because left to right. Left to right. 2 into 2 is 4. Then left to right. 5 due 2. 5 due 2 is 2. 4 plus 2. 5 due කියන්නේ පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාත්මක බෙදීම. So real answer is 5 due 2 is 2.5. But that will, here this is what giving 2.5. Right, ln 5 due 2, that will give you 2.5. See, 2.5 into 10 to the power 0. That is division. But if you put div, that is integer division, it will only give 2, not 2.5. It will only give 2. That 0.5 thing will not give. Understood or not? If you understood, please write down the sequence. Write down the sequence. Then only you will be able to answer. So this will be asked in the questions. This will be there in the paper. They will not ask me what right line, what is begin, what is the program, and likewise. But anyway, they will ask the evaluation of expression. That question will be there in the examination paper for sure. So you have to practice. So please write down.